gonna have this here. So maybe this cup will not start to spin. They don't work, Mama Dukes. I'm trying, right now I'm streaming with the PC that I fixed, but I still have things to fix on it, so they don't work. I need to read bunch of documentation and try to fix it. I downloaded the software from their side, and when I try to do stuff, it's telling me that even seeing that the files are the right ones, they are a bit different than the one, like a stupid thing, like for real. So I'm confused. Fine, I'll get my own. So Zahina, any party today? How you gonna celebrate? How you gonna celebrate? Hi David Moon, hello, hello. It's cold, man, and it's snowing, and it's so ugly outside. Like the snow, because we had rain, we had snow. It's just a mess, like super messy streets. And the drivers look like they never ever drove on snow, like this is the first snow in a century or something. Been crying this morning. Got exam. What? Got exam tomorrow? Oh my goodness. A sleepy eye, -16. Oh, it's cold. Here the snow actually settled. I have seen that. Yeah, we have snow on the ground here, Businela, but some of it melted because last night we had a bit of a rain, and it's just messy. And yeah. It's colder there. Hi Jonas! What am I gonna... I have some mushrooms in the freezer, cheese of course, and I have some turkey ham, something super simple and easy for myself.